Welcome to Market Peeker. In today's episode, we're diving into a critical concept for every Forex trader: margin. If you've ever wondered what margin really means and why it matters in your trading, stick around. We'll break it down in just a few minutes. Margin is essentially a security deposit that your broker holds to allow you to open a leveraged position. Think of it as a small piece of collateral that lets you control a much larger trade. For instance, if you're using 100 leverage, a $1,000 margin lets you trade $100,000. Margin doesn't cover potential losses. It's simply there to ensure you have a stake in the trade. So how does this affect your trading? When you open a position, your broker will reserve the margin amount from your account, locking it up while the trade is active. If your trade moves against you and your losses approach your available margin, the broker might issue a margin call, essentially asking you to add funds to keep your trade open. If you don't, they may close your position to prevent further loss. Here's why understanding margin is so important. It helps you gauge how much you can afford to risk. By tracking your available margin and setting stop losses, you can avoid margin calls and protect your capital. To recap, margin is the collateral needed to open and hold a leveraged trade. It's not an extra cost, but it's essential for managing risk. So keep an eye on it and make sure you've got a solid risk management plan in place.